to the Lord right now. Talk to Jesus. At kung may kahilingan ka sa ating Panginoong Diyos, kung may gumugulso, kung may kaguluhan, kung mayroong hindi pagkakasundo-sundo sa inyong tahanan, to experience the love of Jesus, talk to Him. Hilingin mo pagkakaisa, pag-unawangan, pagmamahalan, upang ang kapayapaan ay magkakari sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong tahanan. Close your eyes and talk to the Lord. I am blessed. Lord, right now. Bless my brothers and sisters. Ask each and every one of us. Yes, Lord. Flowing from the grace that I